6.5 years in federal prison. That's the sentence for the surgical tech who caused a major health scare for 2,400 people after he got caught stealing a powerful narcotic from an operating room at Swedish Medical Center. Denver 7 reporter Lance Hernandez was at Rocky Allen's sentencing today, and Lance, Allen apologized for his actions.
He did, Ann. He told the court he was sorry for the anguish and pain he caused. He even apologized to his former employer, Swedish Medical Center. Rocky Allen was a surgical tech at Swedish from August of 2015 to January of 2016. He took a fentanyl syringe from this operating room and apparently replaced it with another syringe filled with saline. And before handing down the sentence, Judge Raymond Moore said Rocky Allen didn't give a damn about people. He put on a pretty face, though. He said there was a certain persistence to Allen's illegal conduct, which started when he was in the Navy and continued at 5 different hospitals once he was discharged. He sentenced Allen to 6.5 years behind bars. Any reaction to the sentence, Mr. Allen? Allen declined comment as he left court, free on bond for 15 more days. He must then report to a federal prison, likely one in Oregon. Now, his attorney told the court there was no harm done, that no patients were harmed. An attorney representing several Swedish patients in a civil suit says otherwise.
We dispute that. Many of my clients have tested positive for hepatitis, and that source of that hepatitis is yet to be determined, but we know he was taking needles out of a trash bin, basically. So the source of the hepatitis wasn't necessarily Rocky Allen.
Now, Allen had pleaded guilty to tampering with a consumer product and obtaining a controlled substance by deception. One of the patients who had surgery at Swedish when Allen was a surgical tech there told me by phone he thinks Allen should have received a stiffer sentence. The government had asked for 10 years. Back to you, Shannon.
Lance Hernandez tonight.